Today we'll be showing you how to use and set up our newest feature, push notifications. Push notifications are currently in beta testing. If you would like to opt in, please contact your account manager. Now let's get started. In your promotion, you'll go to Add Layer and pull in a push notification CTA. When you click it, you'll be able to add an icon graphic, create a list, or choose an existing list for your subscribers to be added to. When you preview the promotion and click on the CTA, this prompt will show, and when clicked, your coupon will be revealed. When you click on your Notifications tab, the first page you will see are your lists. You can click Edit to rename your list, merge two lists, or delete a list. To create a new notification, go to the Notifications tab and click New Notification. As you fill out your notification information, the preview will auto-populate. If HTTPS is not included in your URL link, the notification will not save or fire. Now you can select your notification settings. These can help you to further target your audience. Once you hit Save, depending on your settings, the notification will send now or be saved to fire later. Once your notification has fired, it will look like this in your Chrome browser. The look of the notification will vary based on your operating system and browser. You can also choose the option of an automated message. These can be set up in the Automatic tab. In beta, you have the option of a welcome message. Welcome messages will fire as soon as users opt in to push notifications. When the feature is launched out of beta, cart abandonment will be available as well. Once your notification has fired, you can see data on how many notifications were sent, clicked, and bounced.